Let's face it, turning 30 or 40 comes with a lot of expectations. You're supposed to have it all figured out. A stable career, a healthy relationship, maybe even a houseplant that hasn't wilted under your care. But what if you don't? What if you're approaching middle age with a bank account that looks like a tumbleweed rolled through it? Relax, you're not alone. I was once in your shoe. Millions of people in their 30s and 40s are struggling financially. The good news? It's never too late to turn things around. In this video, we'll explore strategies, debunk myths, and share some practical tips and tricks that can help you get back on track, no matter how dire your situation might seem. Let's dive in. Number 1. Mindset matters. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about mindset. Because here's the thing. Your financial situation is a reflection of your thoughts and beliefs about money. If you're constantly telling yourself you're broke and destined to be a financial failure, guess what? You're probably right. But what if I tell you you are programmed to become successful? Continue watching as a lot will be revealed in this video. So here's the other side of the coin. If you start to believe that you can achieve financial freedom, that you're capable of making smart choices and building wealth, then watch out. Amazing things can happen. So the first step is to ditch the negativity and embrace a positive, empowered mindset. You've got this. Number 2. Knowledge is power. Now let's get down to the brass tacks. The next step is to educate yourself about personal finance. There's a ton of information out there, but don't get overwhelmed. Start with the basics: budgeting, debt management, and investing. Read books. But how many books have you read this week? Maybe none. Oh, never mind. Let's continue. Listen to podcasts. Watch YouTube videos like this one. The more you know, the more confident you'll feel about making informed decisions about your money. Number 3. Budgeting like a boss. Budgeting isn't about depriving yourself from getting the latest iPhone or Tesla car. It's about taking control. It's like giving your money a job, telling it exactly where you want it to go. There are plenty of budgeting methods out there, so find one that works for you. Personally, I'm a big fan of the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income goes towards needs like rent, groceries, bills. 30% goes towards wants like fun stuff, dining out. And 20% goes towards savings and debt repayment. Remember, budgeting is a tool, not a punishment. Be flexible. Adjust as needed, and don't be afraid to experiment until you find a system that keeps you on track. Number 4. Debt. The dreaded 4-letter word. Debt can feel like a bottomless pit, but it doesn't have to be. The key is to develop a strategy to pay it down. There are several methods like the snowball method, like focusing on paying off the smallest debts first, or the avalanche method, like prioritizing debts with the highest interest rates. Choose one that fits your situation and stick to it. Remember, every little bit counts. Even making extra payments of just $20 a month can make a significant difference over time. So basically, don't ignore the power of $20. And don't be afraid to seek help if you need it. There are plenty of organizations that offer free or low-cost financial counseling. Number 5. Investing. Your future self will thank you. Investing might seem scary, but it's simply a way to put your money to work for you. Stop wasting your money on unnecessary stuff that depreciate in value with time. Command your money to work for you. Don't be one of those who retire with nothing left for them. Even if you don't have a lot to start with, there are plenty of options available, like index funds or robo-advisors. The key is to start early and be consistent. Even small contributions over time can add up to a significant sum in the long run. Go watch this video where I explain strategies that will help you build a fortune with a little investment as low as $100. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint, so don't expect to get rich quick. But if you're patient and disciplined, you'll be amazed at how much your money can grow over time. Number 6. Boost your income. While saving and investing are crucial, sometimes you need to increase your income to make a real dent in your financial situation. Look for ways to earn extra money. For that, watch this video where I explain how to turn a mere $50 into $20,000 in passive income. If you think you're too late to the financial planning game, think again. Contrary to popular belief, diving into financial planning in your 40s or even 50s can still yield incredible results. It's a myth that only the young can build significant wealth. The reality is far more encouraging. Statistics and studies reveal a heartening truth. Age is but a number in the realm of financial progress. Imagine the scenario of someone who begins saving at 40. The magic of compounding interest doesn't discriminate by age. While they may not have the lengthy investment horizon of a 20-year-old, their contributions coupled with the power of compound interest can still accumulate impressively over time. The National Bureau of Economic Research supports this, showing that consistent saving, even if initiated later in life, can lead to a comfortable nest egg. Consider the advantages that come with age, typically higher income levels. This translates to a greater capacity for savings. The Federal Reserve has found that individuals in their later years often save at a more aggressive rate. This accelerated savings plan can, to a significant extent, compensate for starting later. Number 7. Redefining your lifestyle for financial freedom. Redefining your lifestyle for financial freedom is an adventure that requires courage, creativity, and a deep understanding of what truly matters to you. It's a journey of transformation, where every decision and action aligns with your ultimate goal of financial independence. Imagine this transformation as a garden. Just as a gardener nurtures and tends to their garden, you must cultivate your financial landscape. It begins with planting the seeds of mindful spending. This is not about cutting all pleasures from your life, but about prioritizing your expenditures. Every dollar you spend should serve a purpose, whether it's for essential needs, meaningful experiences, or investments that grow your wealth. The first step in this transformative journey is to scrutinize your current spending habits. Are you buying things to fill a void or to genuinely enrich your life? Small expenses like daily coffee runs or impulse buys may seem insignificant, but over time, they can add up to a significant portion of your income. Instead, imagine redirecting that money into something that grows in value. A savings account, an investment, or even a course that enhances your skills. Adopting a minimalist approach can be liberating. It's not about living with the bare minimum, but about eliminating the unnecessary so you have more space, time, and resources for what truly adds value to your life. This might mean decluttering your home, unsubscribing from services you seldom use, or opting for experiences over material possessions. As you embark on this journey, remember that your lifestyle choices have a ripple effect on your financial health. For instance, choosing a more affordable home or vehicle can significantly reduce your monthly expenses, freeing up more money for savings and investments. Part of redefining your lifestyle also involves investing in yourself. This could mean pursuing further education, acquiring new skills, or even investing in your health and well-being. Remember, you are your most valuable asset, and investing in yourself pays dividends in the form of higher earning potential and improved quality of life. Number 8. Effective retirement planning in your later years. When you're over 30, particularly in your 40s or beyond, retirement planning often takes on a new sense of urgency. It's a time when the horizon of your working years starts to come into clearer focus, and the need for a well-thought-out retirement plan becomes more pressing. For those who feel they've started late or haven't saved enough, this period can be riddled with anxiety. However, with the right strategies, it's entirely possible to catch up and secure a comfortable retirement. Go watch this video where I break down 4 assets to own to retire early. The first step in late-stage retirement planning is acknowledging where you stand. It's about getting a clear picture of your current savings, understanding your retirement needs, and realistically assessing how many more working years you have. This assessment isn't meant to discourage you, rather it's to give you a starting point. Every step, no matter how small, brings you closer to a more secure retirement. Now is the time to take action. Don't let past hesitations or current uncertainties hold you back. Start where you are, use what you have, and do what you can. The road to financial success is a journey of small, consistent steps, and the best time to start is now. Your financial well-being is in your hands, and the choices you make today will shape your tomorrow. Check out other videos on this channel on personal finance and investing.